Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm starting a new series on learning Android programming using Android Studio. Regarding this, I'm making a first program. It's called calculator program, in which I will explain you how to start Android Studio and how you can make a first application in Android Studio. First time when we install Android Studio, then we have a certain kind of problem also. SDK not found, Gradle problem, certification problem. So these types of problems comes under troubleshooting of Android Studio. That will I will make later on in new series tips and trick on my YouTube channel. But here I am starting the new program. Just when you open your Android Studio first time, it will show you screen like this. Then you click on a start a new Android project. Here give the name of the project. It's called my calculator example, and this is the domain name. Domain name should be unique. So I belong to Kite, so that's why I'm writing here www.kite.edu. You can write your own domain or any domain name which is show uniqueness. So it is compulsory. Remember this, because when you are going to upload your application on Google Play Store, then it's compulsory to have this particular domain unique. So here we can give the path where we want to save this. So I want to save this on YouTube Android directory. So I have changed it location. Then if you want to use Kotlin programming, then you can give here, or if you want to include C++ library, then you can click also. So I'm not using this. It's a Java based programming, so I'm not using this. Now next, here you have to select the lowest version on which you want to run the Android program which you are making. So here is the ice cream sandwich, and Google is saying that if you use the lowest library 15, so it will cover 100% devices. So do not change this, it is automatically is best one. Then next, then we go to empty. Here we have to select the empty activity. Then next, then don't change this, it is name of the activity which you are using, and this is the name of the layout, and this is the backward compatibility. Everything is fine and check. We do not change it. Click on finish. Now this will open. It will save this application name and start a new window for projects. Take little bit time sometime. Now the application is opening. Here we will start the coding and designing of this also. Take time. It depends on the speed of your laptop, how much speed you have. It taking a lot of time. Sometime it take time because I'm first time I'm running this now. That's why taking time. Second time it will run perfectly. Taking lots of time. Coming. So these are the directive structure. It is taking time, so I can explain you the directive structure also. So if you see this is the Gradle script. Here we have the Gradle files, which is necessary for project file, for module file. So here is the default setting of your application, which we will also discuss later on. Then we will change this, like the property like this, Gradle property, Gradle files, and application settings like this, module setting, the highest library, just like 27 library I'm using the lowest library, the name of the application means application ID. So these are the files which is required here. So this is the IT structure. We have a Gradle script. Here we have a app directory, taking time now in opening. So here also when you click this, it is coming, making a lot of time. Then he's having a manifesto file. Here under app we having a Java directory, manifesto file having the information regarding the activity, services, broadcaster, so many things also, taking time. This is Java directory which having the Java file which we will code also. We'll take Java file, and this is the resource directory which having a layouts directory, then for drawable directory for icons and image, and we have a map also for also icon and image. We have a values folder also which having a string, style and color. These are the XML file is required later on programming also. So this is the manifesto file, manifest directory. If you open this, so it is having the information regarding all the activities and the layouts. You see in this program we having a first activity is called main activity, and this activity is the main, and launcher also. Launcher means the application start from this activity. So what this activity have, I show you. This activity having a layout and a Java code. So this activity having a Java code and same activity having layout. Each activity is having a two things, Java code and a layout. And what is activity? Activity is a screen. Actually activity is a screen which you open in Android Studio. In your Android mobile, when you open any application, that application having a screen. Like this we having a screen. So this screen showing hello world. This screen is what? Activity. So this activity is a combination of layout like this and the Java code. This layout having a two parts. First part is a designing part where we design the controls, button, checkbox, and second part is the XML code which having a layout, and we make coding also in XML for designing purpose. So this application is a calculator. So first of all I have to design the layout according to the calculator. So this is a text view. So first of all I am designing here a text view like this. So you can increase the size. This is only designing, you're not coding right now. Okay, so here we can write what we can give the text. For giving a text, so I only prefer the XML layout. So go to their text here, and this is a text view, you see. So in this text view we have width. So width is this. So if we say width is a match parent like this. So match parent means the total width of the screen. So this cover all the screen. You see, if you say match parent, total screen is covered. And in a constraint layout, you see there are dots. These are dots is here. So what these dots say? Because when you click on this and you touch the screen like this, I'll show you also here. So in constraint layout, we having a control and we having a four side, one, second, third, and four. In constraint layout, we have to touch the circle and touch the screen also like this. Touch the screen, touch the circle like this, and this is also you have to leave. So this is the means we are giving the location of the component. So this text view should be displayed here. So without giving these value, it cannot be displayed. It will be scattered out, and where you want to show it will not be shown. So better to use this. And constraint layout, this is the designing part of constraint layout. So I say match parent, the width should be the match parent, means it take all the width, total width of the screen from left to right. Then we have to give the text. So here is text view. So I am giving the name here calculator. Okay. So by this way, you see there is a calculator, but it's not visible because size is small. So we have to increase the size also. So how we can increase? So Android text size, text size, and the value should be 30 dp. Size should be in dp. So here if you see again, you see the calculator, now size is increasing. It's showing calculator. More size you can give the size 35 dp. So it will be more size, but it's not coming in center. For coming in center, we have alignment. So give Android text alignment center. So it will automatically come to center like this. If you want to say bold, italic, so give Android text style, text appearance, then no, text style, then we say bold. So text style is now bold. So this is showing bold. You can say italic also. So this is the calculator showing here. Now we have to design a text view also. One more, enter number 1, number 2. So text for enter number 1. So we put here the text view. Again, you can stretch this text view like this. Then second text view for number 2 we also put here, and you also stretch this like this, or you can give the same match parent value also, text 1 and text 2 like this. Here is the name of the text 1, so you can change the name also. So we say txt num1. Name of the text box is txt num1. Here we can also give txt num2. So txt num2, and here double quotes also. Now width should be the match parent because we want the whole screen toward the width. It is also match parent. Okay. So if you see, this is called height wrap content. Wrap content means whatever the size of the text in a width. Here also we can give wrap content. Wrap content means the length, whatever the length the text is taking. So automatically adjust. So you see width, and it's showing name. So we want here should be enter number 1, number 2, and we want should be display on screen. So we can put this one to here also by constraint layout. we can touch this screen and we say it should link with the above text view. So automatically it will be linked with the above one. So this text field will be come after this on a screen, and here also we have the dot. We can this left side, put this dot also, touch to right side. So this is fixed on a screen. So we are giving the position of this control here also. So put this one center and put to the above text field. So we are linking with the text field. Then we are linking this to the left side, and then we are linking this to the right side. Not right, not like this. So put the center of this and put to the screen. So this is touching to the right side. So we are giving the fixed position on a screen by doing this. And then this one, and you see that we are giving, we want here enter name 1, enter number 2. So in place of text, if you see, it's coming here name here. So put it blank. We don't want to see, display here some anything, and we want to give the hint. Enter hint. So enter number 1. So it will show the hint. Whenever we try to type anything, and it will goes. So here remove this and we give the hint also. Android hint, and put enter number 2. Okay, now see it will come here enter number 1, enter number 2, and when we'll keep click on this text box on runtime, it will remove automatically because it's a hint. Now we have to design a button. So drag and drop the button, put the one button like this, add second button for multiply, then for subtract, then for division. Okay, like this. Now we have to give the position to these controls. So put this and put here like this, then touch this and put to the right. We want this from the right of this button, then this we want right of this button, then we want this to the right of this button. So like this we have designed the button. Now this button should be touched with the right side also. Okay, now these buttons should come after this. So put this and touch with this the above one. Okay, so this will touch with this and touch this and put to the center of this. So these button will come after the second text box, and again put this and touch to the above text field. And this one also put this and touch to the center of this. So all these buttons are linked with the above text field, so they will come together. Okay, sometime these button comes scatter also. I will show you if they will come. Then we have another thing also to fix them on a screen. So now they can come, these button can go upward also. So we have to put here and touch the screen. I will show you later on also when they will go scatter. So these are the button. Now we have to go here and we have to give the name also. So button, this is button. So change the name of this btn add button, and show here the add. Okay, then multiply the button btn multi and put here multi. Okay, and because the name have been changed, so name should be button add. Okay, now come here, change this to multiply, then subtract. So btn sub, we are giving the name only. By this name we will read it. This is changed to multi, and here we have to display the subtract means sub. Last one is division. So button 4 we put here bt and div, and here also we have to change to bt and sub and give the name here div. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are giving the name to this button and we are changing the text value like this. Okay, add, multi, sub, division. Now we are trying to run this code without doing any operation. We are not using Java code right now, so we click this. In this my system, I am not using the emulator of Android Studio. I am using the stack, BlueStack. So this is the BlueStack emulator. It's showing Samsung, but it's BlueStack. The BlueStack is here. So you see the output here. It will take some little bit time. Take time starting. It's compiling. So this is my first program in Android Studio to making a calculator. And you see we have designed the page. Now later on we are going to make a series also. We are working also by using a Java. So it's taking time by compiling. This is my emulator, BlueStack. I use BlueStack because it's a lightweight also and take less time, run fast. Today is taking so much of time. Taking a lot of time. Come fast. Taking a lot of time. Come fast. Come fast. Now installing indexing file and installing of APK is coming. So it is installing here. Now it will come. My calculator example. You see it's coming in landscape. So once time I have to close this, and again if I will run this, so it will show in this way. So you see these are coming here and showing lot of space because of the problem of the constant layout. So we have to design it carefully. Now it's coming here. If you type something, it will come gone. Then you can type number. But when I place the button, it does not do anything because we have not linked these to the and Java, and it's not performing any operation. So this program is coming right now. So now see, this is also the coding part. So now these are running here. You see this is, it's showing the width is 20. You see size space, then you see this is space, then you see this one much of the space, then you see this much of the space. So we have to design this carefully. It's showing the layout here, left, right and top space and bottom from this top. So left from the bottom is nothing. Okay, then 8 from the, this is also this is also this div from the left and from the right from the top is 20. Okay, very good. So we can make the coding now. You see, this have been designed and we have given the ID the proper name also. Now is a part of Java. Go to this, and here we have to declare the classes for button. So button class is saying import the class, press Alt and enter. It will automatically be import here. Class will be import here. So button add, then button sub, and button multi, and button div. So these are the objects of button class. Then we have a edit text also. Edit text. Okay. Then num1 and num2. Okay. Now here we have to link, because this is a layout file and this is a Java file. You see the linking of layout file. If you see here, so this layout is already linked by set content view. So this layout name is link here. So now we have to link the component also. So we have to put add, then find view by ID, and give the ID of the button. Say btn add. Remember, we have given the name also. Then we have to link the button sum also, r.id.btn sum. Okay, then we link multi to the multiply button. So r.id.btn multi. Then we link with the division button, find view by id dot r.id.btn div. Okay, this one. Now text field also. So num1 equal to find view by id r.id dot, then num text num1, then num2 equal to find view by id dot r dot id dot txt num2. Okay, so this way we are linking each and every component of the view controls from layout to this Java code. Now we have to make a coding. So coding, when you click on add button, what is do? It perform an addition of two number. So first of all, we have to take the number also in text field. So we have taken the variable, two variable integer type, we put int, and we put n1 and n2. Okay, so here num1 dot get text dot to string. Okay, and we are passing this value to num1 integer value, but you see it's showing an error because it's an integer variable, it's a string variable. So we have to convert, remember the Java integer dot parse int and pass the integer and string value to the integer. So we have convert this to integer. Similarly, we have to convert the second value also in num2, and this should be num2. Okay, clear? Two number we have. Now we have to perform the addition. So add dot set on, remember the event set on click listener. So we have to write it set on click listener and then enter. So this is a click event. Now within this bracket we have to type the new and O capital. You see automatically will come on click listener. Remember, here is a set on click listener. So remove the set and type the O from here to this. This is the event. So here we put O. Remember, remove the set and start from the O on click listener and click on this. Automatically it will put you to the event on click. Here we have to write a code. So what the code? Addition. So we have to perform addition. So we put toast is a message display method. By this way you can display method which take three parameter. First parameter is the context, so get application context. Second is the string value which you want to display. So I want to display sum of two number equal to and plus, and in this bracket we are saying n1 plus n2. Okay, because it will perform the sum operation. Then we put toast dot the duration for short period of time I want to display and show. So like this, sum of two number n1 plus n2. Okay, now we can do the same thing for all button also, like multi, yeah, sub dot set on click listener, enter, then new or capital on click listener, enter, automatically comes the event. So copy this line, put this line here and change the sum to subtraction of two number, and in place of plus put the minus. Okay, again two more method, then multi dot set on click listener, enter, again new O capital, then enter on click, then also copy paste. Okay, not here, we have to paste within the method here, paste, and in place of multi sum put here multiply, MUL. So multiply of two number equal to, in place of plus put the multiply symbol. Last button is div dot set on click listener, then new O capital, again enter, plus put here division of two number, and in place of this put the division symbol. Okay, now you run your code and you see the small calculator is working perfectly. You see, it will take little bit time again for compilation and reinstallation of this application. Here I am not changing the icon also. I will show you how to change the icon as I have changed in this application. And you see it's running and running on this. You see the run. So now you give the number, any number which you want to make a sum or multiplication. So put here add. So you see the sum of two number is not coming correctly. Then it's not correct coming correctly is also showing 0. So there is little bit of problem in coding. The problem is that we have taken the value before the click button here. So we can put this code here. Okay, and same for this also, because on button we want to take value on click button. When we click on a button, then we want to take the value. Okay, so this way. Okay, then once again run this code and we have the output here, because we want the output when click then take value. So we have taking it in a on crate, so it taking 0 value. Taking time, launching activity, coming. Now you give the number, then 56, put here, you see the add, click on multiply, you see the 1128 multiplication, click on subtract, we have a subtract also, click on divide, then 0 because the value is less. So increase the value and then click on division, we say we have a 4. So like this calculator is working. You have seen the output also. So that's it. We will see you in the next program.